Hello, my name is Barb. I'm out here at Guaranty in Junction City. I'm going to show you a really super nice used trailer that we have. This is a North Trail. It is made by Heartland. It is a fantastic floor plan. So the model number is 20 in FBS, so 20-foot trailer with the tongue. We're 23 feet. It's got an electric tongue jack on it, so you're able to get on and off the ball. It's got a light here, a leveler, 2 tanks underneath here, 2 batteries. It's a short trailer with a nice slide. You see that it's got this fiberglass cap, so that's going to deflect the wind. It's going to make it much easier for you guys to tow it. It'll just smooth right down the road. Another thing that you're always looking for is a double axle. So it has the wide traction, double axle suspension, so it really comes down the road very easily. This is a 2-inch thick laminated sidewall. So the 2-inch thick of the lamination and the insulation keeps it cool in the summer, warm in the winter. As you can see, I've opened up the awning here. You've got outside speakers, an outlet, everything that it takes. Very comfortable. It's a nice unit for 20 feet. I'm going to poke down here real quick and show you some of the storage. So if you look in there, it's got great storage all the way across. It's got a big door on the other side, so you can slip a folding chair in there. Magnets instead of hooks. Just quality, quality, quality. I want to step inside, and one of the things that I really appreciate is having this grab handle. When I have to add this onto a trailer that doesn't have it, it's about $150. That's a lot of money. So you open the door here and you come on in. And will you look at this? Did you expect to see this? I sure didn't. The first time I came in this trailer, I thought to myself, what a beautiful layout. You got a nice couch here that you can sit and visit. It's a Murphy bed, so the way that that works is that this flips down like this. And then the bed folds out. So now you've got a nice bed that you can get in and out of. It's got the nice end pieces, so you've got a place for your phone, place for your glasses, a glass of water or whatever, what have you. This easily pops up. Boy, that's soft. That feels really good. And then this folds down in behind it. So I'm not doing that perfectly. It's not something that I've practiced. You've got all these cabinets here, which makes it very nice. You know, you've got a great place. Oh, that's tight. Solid wood. You've got a nice rod in there. They're decorative. I don't want to go too in depth with this because I know that you're watching this video and you want to just kind of see what it's all about. So it's got a great big horseshoe table here. This also will make down into bed. Nice window coverings and big windows that you can open on the end and right here too. Lots of storage above this. It feels like home in here. Got a great kitchen, great big refrigerator, an oven, a range, a super duper sink. So I want to remind you that I'm in a 20-foot trailer. It's about 23 feet overall. And you can tow it with a half-ton towable. I'll give you the exact dry weight before we leave. A Dometic refrigerator, so here's your freezer and here's the fridge, and it's big. You can get a lot of stuff in there. Nice freezer here, and it's got a great bathroom. The bathroom is stunning to me. Take a look at this. You very rarely get that. You have a small bathroom, it doesn't have much storage. This could be a closet or it could be shelving. This is already the same thing, so it could be a closet or shelving. So if it's just a couple and you guys are going to be traveling quite a bit, a lot of space to store your clothing and other things. Nice little basin here, a deck of drawers, a nice setup here. And then if you come around, you can see that there's other shelving in here. And a smart shower. Got a skylight in it. It's got a fan. Got a window. You know what, I look at a lot. Folks, I'm in trailers all the time. Big trailers, little trailers, fifth wheels, motor homes, toy haulers. This is a fantastic floor plan. You should come out and take a look at it. Ask for me, I'm Barb. The dry weight of this thing is 4,600 pounds. We'll walk around the back real quick and then promise to give me a call. I'm Barb. See how nice this is? You got that back window. It's a nice little unit, super nice. Outside shower, all the things that you've seen in these other videos. But I bet you haven't seen one of these very often. So as I said, my name is Barbara D. I'm at Guaranty. My telephone number is 541-521-4232. Give me a buzz, ask me a couple of questions, come out and see it. Thank you.